Hello guys, today we'll know how to install and use a React app in our device. So let's begin. But before that, make sure you have installed a Node.js in your device. And if you haven't not installed yet, so watch out my video, it's in my channel. So let's begin now. First open up your browser and search React install and click on this link, copy this path, go to VS Code, open any folder where you want to install a React app. Go to files and open the folder and select. Then open the terminal, click on new terminal, paste the copied path here, remove the my app, and whatever you want to give your React app name you can give, and type here client. It will take some time. Once you have installed it, it will show you like this. So you can ignore this error. Go to client, go to this, delete this, go to index, remove this line, remove this line, and to start your React app, go to that folder by typing cd client. Now click on npm as start, and you can see also in the browser where we have copied this path cd to that React app name and npm start, and click enter. So if you are seeing like this, you are good to go. Now you can use the React app.